Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to make a review about the grammar going to. In this week, en esta semana, we are talking about going to, the future going to, futuro going to. Let's start with affirmative, the affirmative form. You need the pronouns, you need the verb to be in the present form. After that, you need the future going to, the verbs. And you can use a complement too. For example, listen. I am going to play. You are going to play. He, she, it is going to play. We, you, they are going to play. You can use also swim and wash. Remember, play, jugar, swim, nadar, wash, lavar. For example, I am going to swim. You are going to wash. He, she, it is going to play. We, you, they are going to wash. Okay? You can use different verbs. Puedes usar diferentes verbos. Okay? But don't forget going to. This is going to, future going to. In Spanish, I am going to play, yo voy a jugar. You are going to play, tú vas a jugar. He, she, it. You know, it means he, él, she, ella, it, esto o este. Okay? Por ejemplo, she is going to swim. Ella va a nadar. We are going to wash. Nosotros vamos a lavar. Okay? And so on. Y así sucesivamente. Okay? Dependiendo con el verbo que estamos trabajando. Pero es necesario utilizar, en este caso, going to. Now, look at examples. We have 10 examples. Tenemos 10 ejemplos. I am going to read. Voy a leer. In number 1, I am going to get up at 6 o'clock. Yo voy a levantarme a las 6 de la mañana. She is going to drink coffee. Ella va a beber café. He is going to swim in the pool. Él va a nadar en la piscina. They are going to have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Ellos van a desayunar a las 8 en punto. Number 5, I am going to use the computer. Yo voy a usar la computadora. Number 6, you are going to go to the bookstore. Tú vas a ir a la tienda de libros. Number 7, it's going to take a walk. Or, for example, the dog is going to take a walk. El perro va a pasear. Number 8, we are going to study for the test. Nosotros vamos a estudiar para el test. Number 9, he's going to eat a pizza. Él va a comer una pizza. Number 10, they are going to go to the cinema. Ellos van a ir al cine. Okay? So now, we are going to write a sentence. Okay? In this case, we have the verb play. En este caso, vamos a utilizar el verbo play. En Spanish, jugar. Let's start with affirmative form. Vamos a comenzar con la forma afirmativa. ¿Ok? Para hacer una oración usando el going to, yo necesito. I am going to use the pronoun I, the verb to be, am. Podemos juntar estas dos palabras y hacemos una contracción. ¿Qué sería? I'm. Y se escribe así. I'm. ¿Ok? We can use I am or a contraction I'm. For example, I am going to play basketball. I'm going to play basketball. Both are the same. Ambos son lo mismo. ¿Ok? I am, I'm. In this case, I'm is a contraction of I am. Now, this is affirmative form. Now, we are going to change in negative form. Let's write negative form. Negative form. En la forma negativa, la oración vendría a ser casi igual. La única diferencia, the only difference is, vamos a cambiar el verbo to be a la forma negativa, que sería I am not, I am not, this is a negative form, this is the negative form, la forma negativa, I am not. Eso sería la única diferencia cuando hablamos de la forma negativa, ¿ok? I am not going, vamos a cambiarle de color, let's change the color with red. I am going to play basketball. Basketball. This is a negative sentence. Look, I am not going to play basketball. What's the difference? ¿Cuál es la diferencia? Affirmative, I am, el verbo to be, am, y en la forma negativa lo cambio en negativo, ¿ok? I am not. I am not going to play basketball. I can use a contraction. For example, I'm not, okay? This is a contraction. I'm not. I can use I am not going to play basketball or I'm not going to play basketball. Both are the same. Ambos significan lo mismo. Okay? So this is affirmative form. I am going to play basketball, remember? Or using the contraction, vamos a usar la contracción. I'm going to play basketball. Okay? Affirmative and negative form. Now, questions. Ahora, pregunta. Question form. Look, we are going to change the verb. Solamente vamos a cambiar el verbo. Lo vamos a poner al inicio de la oración. The verb to be, el verbo to be. Este es el verbo to be, am. ¿Qué hacemos con el verbo to be? Lo colocamos al empezar la pregunta. ¿Ok? Am. Y luego viene el pronombre. And then we use a pronoun. ¿Cuál es el pronombre? I. Okay, we are going to change the color. Look, am I going to play basketball? Question mark. Remember, going to. And then we have the verb. Look, question form. La forma de pregunta. ¿Qué es lo que hice? El verbo to be lo puse al inicio. Y luego sigo con el pronombre going to, el verbo que estamos trabajando, play, and the complement, y luego el complemento, basketball. Am I going to play basketball? Am I going to play basketball? Okay. Affirmative answer. Respuesta afirmativa. Yes. Yes, I am. Affirmative. Affirmative. Negative answer. Respuesta negativo. No. I'm not. Negative answer. Okay. So, we use the verb play. Usamos el verbo play, que significa jugar. Hice mi oración en afirmativa. Affirmative form. I am going to play basketball. I'm going to play basketball. Negative form. I am not going to play basketball. Or I'm not going to play basketball. Question. Pregunta. Am I going to play basketball? Affirmative answer. Yes, I am. Negative answer. No, I'm not. Now, we are going to use a different verb. Ahora vamos a usar un verbo diferente. For example, I want to use swim, the verb swim. In Spanish, it means nadar, swim. Let's start with affirmative form. Affirmative form. I'm going to write only affirmative. Solo voy a poner affirmative. Okay? Remember, don't forget the future going to. Going to. Okay? Siempre tenemos que usar en nuestra oración the future going to. La palabra going to. Remember, we use going to talk about plans for the future. Usamos going to para hablar sobre planes en el futuro. ¿Ok? Swim, nadar. Affirmative form. Let's use the pronoun she. For example, she, after she, remember, we use the verb to be. She is going to swim. A complement in the pool. She is going to swim in the pool. She is going to swim in the pool. Ella va a nadar en la piscina. Remember, she, pronoun. Is, el verbo to be. Going to, indica el futuro. Swim is a verb. Swim es el verbo que estamos utilizando para hacer esta oración. A minute. Let's change of color. Okay, look. She is going to swim in the pool. Remember, we can use the contraction. Podemos usar la contracción. ¿Cómo lo hacemos? We go together the two words. Juntamos las dos palabras, she and is. She's. Okay? So you can say, she's going to swim in the pool, or she's going to swim in the pool. Remember, both are the same. Ambos significan lo mismo. She is or she's. This is the contraction. Contraction, cuando juntamos las dos palabras. El pronombre con el verbo to be. Se llama contraction, contracción. Okay? So this is the affirmative form. Now, negative. Negative form. Remember, we change the verb to be in the negative form. Solo cambiamos el verbo to be en la forma negativa. Okay? For example, she is not going to swim in the pool. She's not going to swim in the pool. Remember, is not negative form, going to the future, swim is a verb, in the pool, the complement. Okay? Remember, we are going to use the contraction of is not. Vamos a usar la contracción. For example, I can say, she isn't going to swim in the pool. Look, I use a contraction. Isn't or is not. It means the same. Significa lo mismo. Okay? Isn't. Don't forget. Again, going to with red color. Swim is a verb. And then the complement. Okay? So we have affirmative and negative. Now, questions, preguntas. Remember, we only have to move the verb to be. Solo vamos a mover el verbo to be. Lo colocamos al inicio de la pregunta. For example, who is the verb to be? Where is the verb to be? ¿Dónde está? This is the verb to be, is. So we start the question with is. Comenzamos la pregunta con is. Is she going to swim in the pool? Look, el verbo to be lo puse al inicio de la oración. Luego va el complemento. Luego va el pronombre. After the pronoun, remember, going to. Recuerda, going to. The future going to. After that, the verb, swim, and the complement. El complemento siempre va tanto en la oración afirmativa, en la oración negativa y en la pregunta. ¿Ok? We have to use the complement. Siempre tenemos que usar un complemento para la oración o pregunta. Ok. Questions. Pregunta. Is she going to swim in the pool? Is she going to swim in the pool? Affirmative answer. Yes, remember. Yes, she is. Affirmative answer. Negative. No, she isn't or is not. Okay? You can say, no, she is not, or no, she isn't. Puedes usar no, she is not, or no, she isn't. Yo voy a usar la contracción. I'm going to use a contraction. No, she isn't. This is the negative answer. Negative answer. Okay? So, this is my question. And the answers, affirmative and negative. Now look. Observa. Mi oración en afirmativo, negativo y pregunta. El verbo que usé fue swim, nadar. Okay, affirmative, she's going to swim in the pool, or she's going to swim in the pool. Negative, she is not going to swim in the pool, or she isn't going to swim in the pool. Question, is she going to swim in the pool? Yes, she is. Affirmative. No, she is. Okay, don't forget. So we are going to continue the next class. Continuamos en la siguiente clase. No olvides practicar en la plataforma. Okay, bye bye students.